Yo, this is part 2 for the Logitech MX Anywhere first gen mouse. So what I'm gonna do is replacing a left click that is not responsive. So it's a very weak click and I'm not satisfied with it. So I managed to find the spare part and got the replacement part from eBay. It's different from the usual 3-pole switches. Yeah, this is a simple, low profile 2-pole switch. So I will skip a lot of the teardown and assembly videos. So because it's on the first part, so today we'll be concentrating mainly on the replacing of the switch. For this procedure to be easier, right, it's recommended to remove the main board, sister board. So yeah, I have the sister board clamped onto a third hand, so it's easier to desolder and solder. Pardon for the image, it's totally out of the frame. So I would recommend that you can have a very fine teeth soldering iron set to around 320 degrees. Heat up the solder, you can suck it up, then replace with a new solder. Nice thing about Logitech mouses is the boards, right? Most of them, they do have an image which orientation the switch would be. So in case you remove it and you forget which if it's pointing to the left or right side, up or down, right, there's a picture of the actuator to guide you. At this point of time, right, I realized that technically, if you have the right tools and a pair of steady hands, replacing this switch, you need not totally dismantle the mouse. So the end result, the new one with a blue switch is Amron, and the right side I have not changed it yet. So guys, if you like this type of content, do like my video. This to encourage me to do more videos, and if you like to subscribe, then I know who you are, and yeah, more videos coming up. Brushing off the excess flux with some alcohol. And yeah, the assembly is the totally opposite in my first video. Thank you so much.